Every Rolls-Royce begins far from the road, deep within raw earth. These metals are refined with precision before form takes shape. Strength is engineered long before elegance is seen. Only flawless materials earn the right to proceed.
Nature's finest details are preserved, not rushed.
Every component is traced from origin to ownership.
Preparation is as deliberate as performance.
Nothing moves forward without control. The journey toward craftsmanship begins.
Efficiency defines every mile of travel.
Access is controlled before entry is granted.
Every delivery is verified, nothing assumed.
Craftsmanship begins with order. Inside waits the world of perfection.
Nothing enters unseen.
The factory workflow now begins.
Here, engineering meets artistry. A symbol recognized worldwide. Craftsmanship begins with people.
Precision lives in every space. Every step forward is deliberate.
Beyond these doors, creation begins. Machines await instruction.
Raw materials enter controlled flow.
The journey inside truly begins.
Nothing proceeds without inspection.
Purity is essential before precision. Every surface must be flawless. Moisture has no place here.
Human touch confirms machine accuracy.
Measures must obey groans.
Only perfection advances. Perfection allows no compromise. Now, transformation can begin. Structure is shaped under immense force. Accuracy is engineered, not guessed. Strength is fused at the molecular level. Every foundation is proven. Elegance begins with form. Details define luxury. Components wait in perfect order. The heart of creation lies ahead. Two worlds unite into one form. Every connection is mathematically exact. Comfort is engineered beneath the surface. Power is installed with restraint.
Control is built into every motion.
The vehicle takes its first breath.
Form finally meets the ground.
Perfection demands isolation.
Color is applied like a signature.
Depth is created one layer at a time. Time and temperature seal perfection.
Patience reveals brilliance.
Machines search for what eyes may miss. Human touch restores warmth.
Technology aligns with intention. Luxury is shaped from within. Every stitch carries intention.
Nature's symmetry is respected.
Control meets elegance. And engineered. Silence is engineered, not assumed. Technology blends without intrusion. Precision is felt, not heard. Perfection is personal. Now, perfection must be proven.
Perfection must withstand scrutiny.
Tolerance is measured in fractions. Light reveals the truth. Luxury must endure the elements. Silence is verified, not promised. Every system reports its truth. Performance is tested before the road. Only trust allows progress. The masterpiece is cleared to leave. Protection preserves perfection.
Every detail is honored.
Stability ensures safe passage. Craftsmanship waits patiently.
The journey continues beyond the factory.
Care never stops.
A legacy now moves forward.
From raw materials to refined mastery.
And this is how modern factories produce Rolls-Royce Motor Cars from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.